In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a cursive font on Microsoft Word. If you want to give your Microsoft Word document a handwritten or elegant appearance, you can use a cursive font. Cursive fonts are useful for invitations, certificates, greeting cards, titles, signatures, and other creative documents. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document, or open the document where you want to use a cursive font. Type the text that you want to change into a cursive style. You can type a word, sentence, heading, or any other text. Once you've entered your text, select it by clicking and dragging over the words. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of Microsoft Word. In the Font section, you'll see the current font name. Click the font name to open the font list. You can scroll through the available fonts and look for one that has a cursive or handwritten appearance. Choose the cursive font you want to use. As soon as you select it, the highlighted text will change to that font. If you want the cursive text to stand out more, you can also adjust the font size using the Font Size box in the Home tab. Select a larger size for headings or a smaller size for regular text. You can also change the font color if you want the cursive text to match the overall design of your document. If you don't see a cursive font that you like in the available font list, you can choose another cursive font that is already available on your computer. The important thing is to select a font with the handwritten style you want. After selecting your preferred font, review the text to make sure the letters are easy to read. Some cursive fonts have very decorative letters, so choosing a clear style can make your document easier to understand. You can use the same process for other text in your document. Simply select the text, open the font list, and choose the cursive font you want. If you're creating a certificate, invitation, or similar design, you can combine the cursive font with a regular font for the rest of the document. This can help make the main title or important text stand out while keeping the other information easy to read. And that's how you can get and use a cursive font in Microsoft Word. Simply select your text, open the font list, and choose a cursive or handwritten style font that suits your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.